In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your Wi-Fi password in Windows 10. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Start menu by clicking on the Start button. Once it's open, type in Control Panel and select the best match that appears. Once in the Control Panel, make sure the view is set to Category, then click on Network and Internet. Next, click on Network and Sharing Center. On the right side, you'll see your current connection type. It could be Ethernet or Wi-Fi, depending on your setup. Click on your connection type. If it's Wi-Fi, it will say so here. A new window will open. From here, click on Wireless Properties. If you see a tab labeled Security, click on it. You'll notice a checkbox that says Show Characters. Check that box, and you will see your Wi-Fi password displayed. It's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.